In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create the perfect CV or resume in Canva, utilizing their range of professional templates. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open up Canva by navigating to their main menu. If you're not familiar with Canva, it's an incredibly user-friendly platform that offers a plethora of design tools for creating anything from social media posts to presentations, and of course, professional resumes. Once you're on the main menu, you'll see an array of different design options available. Next, direct your attention to the search bar at the top of the page. Here, you'll want to type in either CV or resume. Doing this will bring up a variety of templates specifically designed for creating a professional and eye-catching CV or resume. These templates are crafted by designers who understand what makes a resume stand out. So you're already setting yourself up for success by starting with one of these options. When you hit enter, you'll be presented with a wide selection of templates. Take some time to browse through the available options. You'll notice different styles ranging from minimalist to more detailed designs. Choose one that not only appeals to you aesthetically, but also seems appropriate for your industry or the type of job you're applying for. This is important because different fields might have different expectations for resumes, so picking a design that aligns with your career goals can give you an extra edge. Once you've chosen your template, open it up and Canva will let you start customizing it right away. This is where the fun part begins. You can adjust the colors, fonts, and layout to fit your personal brand or preferences. Be sure to fill in your own information such as work experience, education, skills, and contact details. Make sure everything is up to date and accurately reflects your professional background. This is your chance to shine, so take some time to ensure all the details are correct and are presented clearly. A great tip is to keep your design consistent. Stick to 1 or 2 fonts and a clean layout. Clarity is key when it comes to resumes. Hiring managers often scan these documents very quickly, so you want to make sure everything is easy to read at a glance. Also, don't forget to proofread. A typo or error can stand out in a polished document like this, so double check your work before finalizing it. And there you have it. Once you're satisfied with your creation, you can download your resume in various formats and you're ready to apply for your dream job. Canva makes the process straightforward and efficient, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, showcasing your skills and experiences. Thank you for tuning in and good luck with your resume writing journey.